Hello, in this video I will basically teach you how you can run a coupon for your Amazon listing to drive sales. Okay, it's a very simple process. What you need to do is select the listing on which you are going to run a coupon on, select the SN first, then scroll up. Then you have to do what you have to do is select this advertising, come to this advertising tab, then select coupons, then it will redirect you to the new page. Then you have to do what you have to do is select this option, create a new coupon. Then what you need to do is it will redirect you to the new page. Then copy that as in which you have just copied previously here, and it will redirect you to the listing which you are going to run a coupon for. Then select continue. Okay, then here are the coupon details, like what are the starting date, what will be the ending date. Here you can select the date according to your needs. Okay, so I'm running it for 1 week. You can increase the time duration also, it's up to you. Okay, then what you have to do is after selecting this, then I'm running the percentage of coupon. It's on you, either you want to run money off or percentage off. Here I am selecting percentage off. Then you can see you can have to like check this tab, then select budget, like $100 budget. It's up to you, can increase also. Then what you have to do is you have to give a very creative title for your coupon campaign. Okay, here I'm giving XYZ. I'm not going to disclose it in the video obviously. So here you will give the title to your coupon campaign, a very creative title, like save 20% off on XYZ product. Okay, after like giving the name, what you have to do is, after reviewing all the details, you can see, then select this option, continue. After reviewing all the details, giving then you have to select continue button. Okay, then it will redirect you to the new page. It will like show you all the detail which you have just adjusted accordingly. So after reviewing that, then select the submit button after reviewing all the details. Okay, then what's next is it will redirect you to the new page, and it will show the pop-up that your coupon has been submitted, and after some time it will get live. Okay, so you will also get a notification either it is the coupon cap you have just created is live or not. Here you can see the performance of your all created campaign. Here I am selecting all so that you can see this will look like this is the basically the coupons dashboard. From here you can check the performance, like how well are your campaigns working. That's all. Thank